Upon a time, in a small village, there lived a farmer named John. John was known for his kindness and generosity. He had a small farm where he grew vegetables and fruits. One day, as John was working in his fields, he noticed a hungry stray dog wandering around. The poor dog looked weak and in need of food and shelter. Without hesitation, John offered the dog some food and water. The dog wagged its tail in gratitude and followed John everywhere. From that day on, the dog became John's faithful companion. He buried the dog in a peaceful corner of his farm, where they had spent countless hours together. From that day forward, John continued to remember his faithful friend and the valuable lesson he learned about kindness and loyalty. And so, the story of the kind farmer and his loyal dog became a cherished tale in the village, reminding everyone of the importance of